Hello students, 10th class, chapter number 7, exercise 7.1. Today is all exercise 7.1. Okay. Now, find the distance given the coordinates. Given the two coordinates, find the distance. Question number first. Which are the coordinate 2, 3 and 4, 1. So suppose here first coordinate x1, y1 and second go x2, y2. First coordinate x1, y1 and second coordinate your x2, y2. Write by distance. Write the distance formula: x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2 square. Formula of distance: x1 means there 2, x2 means there 4, y1 is 3 and y2 is 1. Okay, solve this. 2 minus 1 minus 2 square 4. Okay, now then 3 minus 1 2, 2 ja 4. Your answer root 8. Root 8 you written by here 2 multiply 2. Your answer 2 root 2. Today your distance of between given the coordinates. Okay. Question number third. A comma B, first to third, and minus A comma minus B. Find the same here. Use the formula and find the distance. Write the first formula x1 y1 and second suppose here x2 y2. Write the formula here x1 comma x2 square y1 comma y2 square. What is the means of a x1? x1 there a, x2 means minus a to minus your plus. Any confusion? x1 minus x2 there minus plus also. y1 it is your b, there minus plus b square. A your answer 2a and your answer is 2b square. 2 to ja 4a and it is the 4b square. We take to your common is 4. Your answer a square plus b square at a bracket common. So 4 root your answer 2 root a square plus b square. Okay. Question number second, same, give the formula, distance formula, you solve it. Question number third, given the here 3 coordinate points A, B and C. Prove that it is the collinear or not collinear using the here distance formula. What are the means of a collinear point? If the 3 points align, 3 point A, B and C. If the 3 points align, then is called by their collinear point. Okay. So now here if the ABC the collinear, so then a relation I find out. Which of a relation find out? Then suppose here ABC collinear, so always AB plus BC equal to AC. Right? So we find the distance of AB plus distance of BC equal to distance of AC. It means distance of any 2 point equal to sum of a distance of another 2 point. That is the reason you say if that is this type here format you find, so there is the ABC are collinear. Okay, now so first we find distance of AB. ABC where suppose here A, this point B, it is the also C. The distance of AB, use of A and B coordinate, right? The distance of AB, which coordinate? 1, 5, 2, 3. You write the coordinate. Distance of AB, write the formula. You write the formula all time. x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2 square. What are the means of a x1? Suppose x1 y1 is and x2 y2 that is. x1 means 1, x2 means there 2, y1 means 5, y2 means there 3. Right? 1 minus 2 means minus 1 square, 5 minus 3 it is 2 square, minus 1 square 1, 2 3 4. It is your answer root 5. Okay, first answer find out distance of AB root 5. Okay, now then we find out a distance of BC. BC means B and C point. Distance of BC which point of a your usage? So distance of BC, use of a point B, minus 2 minus 11, and C there with the point of C, and D there 2 comma. Distance of BC, distance formula x1 minus x2 square minus 2 square. Suppose here x1 y1 and it is x2 y. Use of the formula, distance formula, and what is the formula? x1 minus x2 square, x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2 square, y1 minus y2 square. Minus 2 minus 4 square, minus 3 minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 square. 4 4 is 16 and 14 is 196. What is your answer? Addition for both 6 6 12 9 110 11 212. Do not factor there. Distance of AC, find out the distance of AC. Use of a point and C. Write the point A and C there. Minus 2 minus 11. Suppose here x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. So write the here formula. Distance of AC x1 minus x2 1 plus 2 square y1 plus y2. 3 3 is 9, 5 plus 11, 16, 256. Right? Addition for both 256 and plus 9. Your answer is 5, 6, 265. Okay? You have find the distance of AB, distance of BC, and distance of AC. Okay now? But distance of AB, distance of AC, and distance of AB. Find the relation of a, find out the AB plus BC plus AC, anything. Okay. There you show, do not any format, do not find the AB plus BC equal to AC. Okay. Sum of a two distance equal to another distance. It is not possible of a there is sum. That is the reason it is the not coordinate. It is not coordinate. Okay. If the here format is the point, sum of a two distance equal to another distance, you say here, you say to here 3 point of coordinate. Next video we solve the next sum, question number next.